A Cash App deposit shows as pending when the incoming funds have started processing, but haven't fully cleared through your bank or Cash App's verification system. By the end, you'll know why deposits get stuck pending, what each cause means, and the exact steps to clear or resolve them. Start with the most common reason. Cash App deposits go pending when your bank is still processing the incoming transfer. That means Cash App has initiated the deposit, but your bank has not finished confirming it. Now explain what that means. The money is not missing or lost. It is temporarily waiting in the processing stage between Cash App and your bank. Now, explain another cause. Deposit delays can also happen when Cash App is verifying the transaction for security reasons. This happens when the system wants to confirm the deposit is legitimate before releasing funds. Now explain what triggers it. New accounts, unusual deposit patterns, or changes in linked bank details can all trigger extra verification. Now explain network and system delays. Sometimes deposits stay pending simply because of processing delays on either Cash App's side or the bank's side. These delays can vary depending on transaction volume. Now explain the first step. Open Cash App and go to the Activity tab. Tap the pending deposit to view its status and any available details. Now explain the second step. Check your linked bank account directly. Sometimes the deposit shows in your bank before Cash App updates the status. Now explain the third step. Make sure your Cash App is updated. Outdated versions can display incorrect or delayed transaction statuses. Now explain the fourth step. If the deposit is still pending after a long time, avoid resending or reversing it repeatedly. That can create additional delays in processing. Now explain when to wait. Some deposits clear automatically once bank processing completes, and no action is required from the user. Now explain when to contact support. If the deposit stays pending with no status change for an extended period, Cash App support is needed to investigate the transaction. Now, summarize the core idea. Cash App pending deposits usually happen due to bank processing delays, security verification, or system syncing issues. Most deposits clear automatically once verification is complete. And checking both Cash App and your bank account gives the fastest clarity on status. One practical next step. Always check your bank account first, because deposits often arrive there before Cash App updates the pending status. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more simple Cash App fixes and clear explanations without confusion.